Okay, so this is Greynolds Park, North Miami Beach. Let's see what kind of nature this park has and its animals. I was told that this is a beautiful park, so let's see. And for that, we already have prepared our bike. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Oh my goodness, check this out. Look, you see over there? There's a bunch of iguanas. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 iguanas that I have just counted here. Look, this is amazing. Okay, let's see. Let's see how close can we get. We have here. Oh, there's a turtle right there. You see it? And the iguana, just look how many. That's a lot. And just one turtle. I'm not sure if you can see it there. And let's see if we can come close to the iguanas over this way here. Oh, here's another turtle. There's one, and there is another one right there. Oh, there's another one here. 1, 2, 3 already. Oh, 4, there's another one there. Oh, 5, there's another one there. Oh shit, and I think, what is that? You see that there? What is that? That looks like a gigantic turtle. It looks like they can sense that I'm here and they just come over. Oh, look on that one. You see, that's a huge one. You see, it just went inside the water. I'm not sure, but since I arrived here, it looks like they sense that I'm here and they're just walking over to me. I mean, like swimming. You look at it. That's like a sea turtle. That's a different type of turtle. Just look how many they're coming here. They look like they can sense me. Look. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh shit. They just sense. I feel that they're just sensing that I'm here and they're just coming over. Look, it's a lot of them. A lot. And now take a look on the iguanas now. Let's see if they allow me to come close. It's the closest that I can get. Where you can see right how many it's them. That's a lot. Oh, this one is coming close to me. Oh look, she's coming close to me. She's friendly. This is coming to me. I'm feeling like Tarzan now. Come over, baby. Come over. Come closer. Come close. Oh shit. Well, you can see them, right? Wow. This is gonna be a nice ride. I can see a lot of animals. And we are just starting, so now we're gonna start heading that way to see what we find. Look at these beauties right here. Ciao, iguanas. Ciao. Oh, look over there. Oh, there's like a, what is it called? This is a possum. Look at it. It looks like a mother, and you can see her her parts. It looks like she just got babies. Look, let's see if we can come close. Look at it. Look, baby. How you doing, mommy? Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? And it looks like she just got babies. I can see her boobies like full of milk. Wow. Okay, so this is very nice ride. Until now, we already have seen three different type of animals. Okay, so let's keep riding. Let's see what do we find here. There is more iguanas right there. Let's see what's in these waters here. Well, they don't look too clean, but it's nothing in there. See what else we find. Oh, I saw a blue crab right there. Let's see if we can get him. See, I just saw that onto the holes. It's a little one. You see it right there? I think it's went in. Let's see if you can see more. There's a bunch of holes here. Nature here. Okay, let's see what else we find. Check this out. This part of the Greynolds Park. Now look at this bird. This is another. This is nice. I'm not sure if you will. For this bird. You see it? It has like a blue head and a long beak. You see how long her beak is? You see the bird? Bird, bird, bird. Move. Show me your face. There we go. Okay. So let's see what we see on the other side here. There's nothing in the water.